Right now, there is someone who has been keeping you a secret or perhaps just keeping their distance. But today that ends. By the time this meditation is over, your energy will shift so powerfully that they will feel an irresistible urge to step forward and claim you, not just in private, but in front of everyone. If you have been feeling hidden, overlooked, or like a maybe, stay with me until the very last second. The more you listen to this, the easier and more powerful it will become. Now close your eyes and take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel your body becoming heavy, melting into the surface beneath you. Now imagine a light surrounding you. This is the light of your own worth. Now visualize a crowded room, a gala, a party, or a public street. You are standing there radiant and calm. You aren't looking for them. You aren't waiting. You are simply just being the prize. Feel the air on your skin. Hear the distant hum of voices. Now see them walking through the crowd. In the past, they might have looked away or hesitated. But now they look you directly into your eyes. They see you, and for the first time, the fear of what others think has vanished. Feel the shifts in your chest. That longing you felt is replaced with the feeling of being known. As they walk towards you, they aren't just coming to say hello. They are coming to take your hand. They are coming to tell the world, this is mine. This is my person. Feel the pride in their feel the pride in their touch. Feel the shock and admiration of the people watching. You are no longer a secret. You are the priority. Now repeat these words in your mind, feeling them in every cell of your body. I am worth being claimed. I am worth being claimed. My presence is undeniable and magnetic. My presence is undeniable and magnetic. They are proud to stand by my side. They are proud to stand by my side. Our connection is public, powerful, and protected. Our connection is public, powerful, and protected. I am the only choice they see. I am the only choice they see. The world witnesses our love. The world witnesses our love. Let that feeling of being publicly chosen settle into your bones. It is done. It is happening. Now wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you open your eyes, carry this claimed energy with you throughout your day. Don't look for the signs, be the sign. And to fully claim this energy and lock this vibration into your physical reality, I want you to go to the comments right now and type, "Our connection is public, powerful, and protected." By writing it, you are announcing to the universe that you are ready to receive. Listen to this meditation every day as much as possible. The more you listen to this, the faster it works.